Hello, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to take a look at the different AI tools that are available in Makulu Linux. So let us start. I just tried to start the AI assistant. First, you have to provide your sudo password or the root password. Otherwise, it will not start up because the AI tools are protected by the keyring. So I already configured my name as Sam, and there are different male and female voices of the AI. So I have chosen the default female voice, and in the paid version of Makulu Linux, you can talk with your voice and you can operate the AI assistant with voice. But here, since it is a free version, I have to type to communicate with the AI assistant, that is the Electra AI. Now I think I will have to change the language. English, yes. Plural, yes. So I will have to change the, yes. This is better. India English. No, still it is not working. What we do is we will clear the history. We will go over and select the Indian AI assistant, and I will put my name, username as Sam. Okay, now it is English. Okay. So this is what it is telling us. Help me to maintain my Makulu system. Let us see what it answers. Maintaining your Makulu system. Excellent choice. Let us take care of the vintage car. I certainly assist with that. Makulu is designed, so blah 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 blah. So it is telling us what to do to maintain the system. So first you have to do regular updates. You have to do the disk space management, run the update manager regularly. Then you have to use the Biobab tool, that is the disk usage analyzer, to visualize where the disk space is used. Clutter, you have to remove the clutter. Then you have to create a backup strategy, use time shift for the system type snapshots. Then you have to do the driver management, package management, system logs. You have to uninstall unused programs and like this. So it is not doing this task for us, but it is just suggesting the steps to do the system maintenance properly. Can you do can you run system update for my Makulu system? Let us see if it can do. Okay, she is not able to directly run system updates for your Makulu system because of course she will not have the sudo password. I am a chatbot, not a magical system manager. Okay, so that's it. This is the limitations of the Electra AI. Then what we can ask, how much per Voyager? Let us ask about the Voyager spacecraft. Reach Earth. Let's put this question to her. Let us see how much time it takes. Oh, the magnificent Voyager 1. as the latest data I have, which is around October 23, Voyager 1 has journeyed approximately 23.7 billion kilometers. So it is just searching on the Google and giving us the answers. So it has searched some data which was dated around October 2023, and it is giving us the answers. Okay. Now what we will have to ask specific questions, very typical, so that it has to work and give us the solutions. Let us ask what is the difference between Unix and Linux. Let us see how much expert she is. Okay. Question is Unix versus Linux. Okay, Unix is an operating system specification and Linux is an operating system. Very good. So everything in history, everything is given. You have to just read it. So this is the way you have to exploit the AI tools that are given. And in the next video, we will try out some other AI tool that is available in the Electra AI toolbox. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.